I'm super excited. Okay, where are we gonna put this one? We're gonna put it right here. Okay, let's open this one first. Because it's bigger and it's like more exciting and stuff. So oh, I would not have expected that. We just throw stuff. Oh yeah. I have a little collection of these Mario Kart figurines and I'm missing 3, which I'll explain while I'm only really missing 2, but technically I'm missing 3. Okie dokie, let's get on into this. That's what I thought it was! It's Yoshi! Who doesn't like Yoshi? Okay, so I have 2 little shelves here with different figurines. Here's Peach, Mario, Luigi, and we'll put Yoshi by Mario, and we'll put Bowser by Luigi, and there's DK, and the only one I'm missing is Toad, and I'm okay with that because I have this one, and he's the same size as the other guys, you can see, so he fits in perfect, and he's kind of like waving his hand like, okay, race, let's go! Hey, what's up? We got a package and it's all the way from Thailand. It took forever to get here. So I guess let's try to open it. I guess I technically won't know. It took forever to get here until I know what it is. I knew it was one of 2 things, so I got this. Wow, they like really wrapped this shit, huh? Whoop. Okay. They're patches. Slipknot and Korn. So. Package time. Package time. Whoop. 2 scoops of whoop.
2 whoop scoops.
Do you know what it is? No peeking. It's Percy from Pocahontas. Damn, it's got my phone number on the front and everything. Holy shit. It's from the China Post. I'm running out of camera angles. Well, we got a package today. And I had to mark this one out. I usually just show whatever side doesn't have the address on it. This one had the address on both sides. What? Blood makes you related, loyalty makes you family. I did not order this. Oh, I guess this must be like an extra patch. Oh, it's such a little baby patch. It's so tiny. It's so tiny. Little Nirvana patch. I love it though. I kind of like that it's small. Which, okay, so this really threw me off because I thought they got the order wrong. But I guess this is like a bonus one. It just is a cute little baggie. It's like, a present from me is on the way. Hope you'll like it. From Paris. Okay. So here it is. And it says, oh, does that help? Blood makes you related, loyalty makes you family.
Thanks for watching!